The sun, our constant companion in the vastness of space, is no stranger to mysteries. But today, it has unveiled a chilling anomaly. A dark, foreboding spot has appeared on its blazing surface, stirring questions and fears across the globe. Is this a natural phenomenon or an omen from the cosmos? First, let's separate fact from fiction. What appears to be a black spot is likely a sunspot, a cooler, darker region on the sun caused by intense magnetic activity. But this one? It's different. Scientists at observatories worldwide are reporting its unprecedented size and intensity. Throughout history, celestial phenomena have been viewed as omens. Ancient civilizations worshipped the sun, attributing its quirks to divine intervention. In some cultures, a blemished sun was a harbinger of disaster, earthquakes, plagues, even the fall of empires. And then, there are the theories that venture beyond the realms of science. Some speculate that the black spot is evidence of extraterrestrial activity, perhaps a massive spacecraft harnessing energy from our sun, cloaked in shadow. Others suggest it could be the remnants of a dying star caught in our solar system's gravitational pull. This black spot is more than an astronomical event. It's a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the grand cosmos. Our reliance on technology, our quest for knowledge, our very existence, all tied to the whims of a star 93 million miles away. What lies at the heart of this black spot? A routine solar event, a cosmic anomaly, or a message from forces beyond our comprehension? The answer remains elusive. But one thing is certain, the universe still holds secrets that challenge our understanding. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who knows what other mysteries await in the vast expanse of space? Until next time, this is Mystery Voyage, signing off.